Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if you are not able to delete the Epic Web Cache folders, or if you are not able to perform any operation on any Epic Games directory folder, like you are not able to move any folder or not able to delete the temporary files of Epic Games launcher or anything like that. Now, the issues persist because the Epic Web Helper is running in the background even when you close the Epic Games launcher. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply right click on your start menu, then click on task manager. Now here, when you're inside this processes section, here you need to search for Epic. When you search for Epics, you'll find a list of all the processes named Epic Games Launcher or something related to Epic Games Launcher that are running in the background. You need to stop all of them from the background. Especially there's a service that is named as Epic Web Helper that constantly run in the background. So if you are trying to delete any folder or move any specific folder or directory, you are not able to do that because the folder is already in use in the background. So just simply right click on that specific process and then end task for that process. And when you try to restart or and when you try to re-delete that specific folder or move any folder to any operation on the Epic Games directory, you can easily able to do that.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.